Mindful listening exercise. Find a comfortable and balanced sitting posture. Close your eyes or bring your focus to the floor in front of you. Listen for sounds that sound very far away, sounds outside of the building you are in. Next, direct your attention to sounds that are far away from you inside the building that you are in. Maybe they're in another room. Now focus on sounds that are in the room with you. Listen for sounds that are close to you. Focus your attention on sounds that your own body is making.